Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the Google account you will use as owner. Enable two-step verification so your console stays secure. Next, pay the $25 developer registration fee and enter your legal, business, or personal details. This links to payments and tax settings. While the registration processes, assemble your app assets. Package name, high-res icon, feature graphic, screenshots, and a hosted privacy policy. Doing this now saves time because the console requires these items at upload and during the store listing flow. Once you click Create App, select app type and default language. This defines Play Store behavior. You should then complete the store listing. Use a clear title, concise short description, and persuasive full description, plus all required graphics. These drive conversions. Make sure to set pricing and choose distribution countries, and complete the content rating questionnaire so Play assigns an appropriate age rating. These steps ensure your app appears correctly and meets Play's policy filters before you upload binaries. You will now upload your signed AAB or APK to the chosen release track. Start with internal or closed for immediate testing, then move to production for users. Complete app content fields and confirm target API level compliance. Then configure testing tracks and a staged rollout percentage to limit exposure. Once released, monitor pre-launch reports and Play console crash reports. If crashes occur, pull the rollout and fix the issue before increasing the percentage. If uploads fail, check.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.